Europe is a continent rich in history, culture, and traditions. From the early days of civilization to the present, European countries have developed unique and bizarre customs that have been passed down from generation to generation. In this video, we will explore some of the oldest and most bizarre customs from Europe that are still practiced today. Our first stop is Greece, where we will explore the tradition of the Koudounati. During the carnival season, people in the town of Tyrnavos dress up in goat skins and parade through the streets. The Koudounati make loud noises with bells and sticks to scare off evil spirits and bring good luck to the community. This bizarre custom dates back to ancient times and has been passed down through the generations. Another bizarre tradition from Greece is the custom of the Anastenaria. This is a fire-walking ritual that takes place in the villages of northern Greece. During the celebration, the participants walk barefoot over hot coals while holding religious icons. The tradition dates back to the 17th century and is believed to have pagan roots. Moving on to Italy, we have the tradition of the Calcio Storico. This is a brutal sport that combines soccer, rugby, and wrestling. The game is played in the Piazza Santa Croce in Florence, and players wear traditional costumes that date back to the 16th century. The game is known for its violence and has been banned several times throughout history. Moving on to Spain, we have the tradition of the La Tomatina. This is a festival where people throw tomatoes at each other in the streets of the town of Bunol. The festival dates back to 1945 and has become a popular tourist attraction. In the United Kingdom, we have the tradition of cheese rolling. Every year, people gather in the town of Gloucester to roll a cheese wheel down a steep hill. The first person to reach the bottom wins the cheese. The tradition dates back to the 1800s and has become a popular event. Moving on to Romania, we have the tradition of the Capra. This is a custom where people dress up in goat skins and parade through the streets to scare off evil spirits. The participants make loud noises with bells and sticks and perform traditional dances. The tradition dates back to pagan times and is still practiced in some rural areas. In France, we have the tradition of the Fête de Fous. This is a festival where people dress up in ridiculous costumes and parade through the streets. The festival dates back to the Middle Ages and was originally a way for the common people to mock the wealthy and powerful. Moving on to Sweden, we have the tradition of the Gavel goat. Every year, a giant goat made of straw is erected in the town of Gavel. The goat has become a target for vandalism over the years, and it has been burned down or damaged multiple times. Despite this, the tradition continues and draws thousands of visitors each year. Lastly, we have the tradition of the Krampus in Austria. During the Christmas season, people dress up as the Krampus, a demonic creature that punishes misbehaving children. The Krampus carries a bundle of sticks and chains and scares children and adults alike. The tradition dates back to pagan times and has become popular throughout Austria and other parts of Europe. And that concludes our exploration of the 10 oldest and most bizarre customs from Europe. These traditions have survived for centuries and continue to be an important part of the cultural heritage of these countries. Which one of these customs surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about the rich and diverse cultures of Europe. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And as always, thank you for watching.
Goodbye.